Curious about the warning indicators on your 2024 Hyundai Ioniq 6-cluster display? Understanding them is key to safe driving. Press the Drive Mode button to switch modes easily. Eco Mode boosts efficiency, lighting up the Eco indicator and changing the cluster color. The automatic climate control system is below the touchscreen. This guide covers dashboard lights and the instrument cluster to keep you informed. If we talk about its interior, the dashboard offers sleek design and advanced user-friendly technology. The touchscreen controls navigation and media, while the instrument cluster displays speed, fuel, and alerts. Climate control ensures precise temperature settings for a comfortable ride. The engine is the power source of the vehicle, converting fuel into energy to drive the wheels. The steering wheel controls the vehicle's direction by turning the front wheels.
Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators.
Airbag warning light, seatbelt warning light, anti-lock brake system warning light, electronic brake force distribution system warning light, parking brake warning light, motor-driven power steering warning light, charging connector indicator light, power down indicator light, lane safety indicator light, service warning light, electronic stability control off indicator light, electronic stability control indicator light, high voltage battery level warning light, high beam indicator light, immobilizer indicator light, light on indicator light, forward safety warning light, high beam assist indicator light, master warning light, LED headlight warning light, ready indicator, turn signal indicator light, electronic parking brake warning light, low tire pressure warning light, auto hold indicator light, icy road warning light, all-wheel drive warning light, driver attention warning light, door open indicator light, emergency steering warning light, safety precautions, know your symbols, immediate attention. Don't ignore a flashing symbol. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use an OBD2 scanner for diagnostics. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.